Good morning, students. Today's topic is precautions while estimating national income by product method or value added method, income method, and expenditure method. These slides are prepared by Dr. Satya Prakash. So, let's start with the precautions of product method or value added method while estimating national income. Precautions, value added method or product method. First is the value of sales and purchase of second-hand goods. What does it mean? That the value of the sale and purchase of second-hand goods should not be included in the product method or value added method, because there is the problem of double counting, and these values are taken into account when these goods are produced or brought in the market for sale first time. Commission earned on the sale and purchase of second-hand goods. This means if we sell these second-hand goods and purchase these second-hand goods, commission earned by the brokers or brokerage, it is the new income. Therefore, the commission is the part of the product method or value added method. Therefore, the commission should be included in the estimation of national income by product method and value added method. On count production of goods of producing unit. On count production of goods of producing unit should also be included, as it is assumed that we are producing the goods for selling in the market. Therefore, the on count production of goods of producing unit should be taken into account, and we have the example of, for example, the car producer uses the car for his employees. Imputed value of production for self-consumption. Imputed value of self-consumption, it should be also included. For example, if you are a farmer and you produce the 100 quintal of wheat, and out of that 90 quintals of wheat you are selling in the market and 10 quintal of wheat you are using for self consumption. So the value of that 10 quintal of wheat is also imputed while estimation national income by product method and value added method. Value of intermediate goods. Value of intermediate goods should not be included in the estimation of national income by product method and value added method, because if we add these values there will be problem of double counting. So the value of the intermediate goods is already the part of or included in the part of final goods. Imputed rent on the owner's occupied house. Here owner's occupied house means we are having our own house and that house generate the income by impute its value at market price. So we should estimate or we should impute the values of the owner's house. Therefore, it should be included in the estimation of value added and product method. Services for self-consumption. Services for self-consumption, it should not be included in the estimation of national income by product method and value added method, because services for self-consumptions are not having any record, and therefore we are also the example of the services rendered by the housewife. Therefore these services are not to be the part of national income. The value added in the government sector is equal to compensation of employees only, because in government sector we don't have the record of interest, rent, and whatever we produce in the government sector, it is collectively consumed by the consumers in the economy. Therefore only the compensation of employees is the part of estimation estimation national income by value added method and product method. Now next method is income method. There are also precautions while estimating national income by income method. The first one is transfer earnings. Transfer earnings, these are the earnings for which recipient is not supposed to provide any services. These services are provided by the government, such as old age pension, scholarships, pocket money. These transfers earnings are not included in the national income, or while estimating national income by income method, these transfer earnings should be excluded. Income from illegal activities. By illegal activities means we should not include these illegal activities in national income by income method, because these illegal activities are not the part of the national income. Illegal activities, theft, gambling, these activities are not the part of national income by income method. Commission paid on the sale and purchase of second-hand goods. Commission earned by the brokers or commission agents on the sale and purchase of second-hand goods is the part of national income. Therefore, commission on the sale and purchase of second-hand goods should be included, whereas the value of the second-hand goods and services should not be included. Only the commission and brokerage it should be included in the estimation of national income by income method. Next one is income in terms of windfall gains. Windfall gains, for example, lottery, income from lottery or capital gain, income from capital gain should not be included in national income while estimating national income by income method. Imputed rent of owner occupied houses, imputed or estimated rent of owner's own occupied house, it should be included in the estimation of national income by income method. Production for self-consumption, production income for production for self-consumption, it should also be included in the national income by income method, because it is assumed that this is the income earned for self-consumption. Profit, here profit, as we know that profit is the part of national income and it should be included in national income. If we consider the profit, we should not include dividend, corporation tax, undistributed profit, as these are the part of this profit, and these parts should not be included separately if profit is included in national income by income method. Income tax, this income tax, it should not be included in national income separately because it is paid from the compensation of the employees. Now, next precautions of expenditure method. In expenditure method, only final expenditures are taken into account while estimating national income by expenditure method. Intermediate goods, expenditure on intermediate goods should not be included. Expenditure on second-hand goods, this expenditure is also excluded while estimating national income by expenditure method. Expenditure on shares and bonds, the expenditure on shares and bonds, it should not be included as there is no addition in the goods and services. It is merely a transfer of ownership. Expenditure on transfer payments by the government, expenditure on transfer payments by the government such as old age pension, scholarships, it should not be included in the national income while estimating by expenditure method. Imputed value of expenditure on goods produced for self-consumption, these values should be included while estimating national income by expenditure method. Thank you.